Azertechnoline LLC is one of the companies which contributed a lot in main industrial developments of the country. Azertechnoline LLC persisting on being the leader in manufacturing of qualitative pipes, which doing the transportation of national resources possible. The company, established in 2013, shows its professional efforts in the development of the country's industrial infrastructure and its promotion and modernizing. Today, Azertechnoline LLC is of a great importance for the country manufacturing steel and corrugated pipes, fittings, different steel fabrications, and metal fencing panel, and all of them with the potentiality to export. The main production area of Azertechnoline LLC is the steel pipes plant, where the spiral welding steel pipes of high quality are manufacturing that meets the international standards. The plant has 3 production lines of steel pipes, and the annual manufacturing capacity is 200,000 tons. The diameter of produced pipes altering between 400 to 2,400 millimeters, with wall thickness of about 6 through 25 millimeters and 6 through 16 meter length. As for design of the pipes, they are used for transportation of raw oil, natural gas, water, and also in the oil refinery plants, steel constructions, industrial pipelines, and for piling. The production of steel pipes has a few stages. However, it is easy to spell than to produce a pipe for different purposes. That is a very complicated manufacturing process. This complicated process has been realizing with the modern equipment and chiefly by skilled professionals. So let's have a look on the stages of complicated production process from the beginning to the end to be assured of quality of the product. In the first stage, the rolls are uncoiling in uncoiling machine and handed over to spiral pipe machine. The coil firstly is flattering, shearing in edges, and getting into suitable position for the milling machine for inside and outside welding. The coil preparing in milling machine for the next stage, folding at an angle, defined due to the pipe diameter, and then inside and outside submerged arc welding made. At first glance, the form of pipe obtained, but the principal stage only begins. The body of pipe is controlling against lamination and the welding sections for mistakes by ultrasound machine. Checked by ultrasound machine, pipes are being cut due to the ordered length and sending to the facility of eye control. The pipes that visually controlled by skilled professionals are sending to beveling machine. The pipes that did not pass through controls are sent to the welding repair facility. After the edge milling, the pipes are being sent to the hydrostatic test machine, where they are tested for pressure and leakage by pushing up to 250 bar water inside a pipe. It should be noted that this stage is ensuring the safety of pipes as it is. The next stage is called X-ray control. At this stage, the errors in welding places of pipes are controlling. The stage of controlling of pipes with equipment is over here. However, the company, always giving importance to the group of professionals, sends the pipes for final eye control stage. Here, the pipes are controlling by inspectors visually. If any errors found, the pipes are sending to the repair department or moved out of production. When the test stages are over, there is beginning the stages of aesthetic view of product. These stages play guard roles at the same time. In outer shot blasting, the filth and rust on the surface of pipe is cleaned and then sent to outer painting stage. The outer side of pipe is coated with powder paint and then covered with polyethylene material for longer service life. Afterwards, the outer coating. The pipes are sent to inside blasting and inside coating. At the final stage, the high-quality ready pipes are stamped and loaded on trucks for sending to customer. Within the steel pipe plant is available the laboratory equipment with modern and responding to definite quality standard testers and devices. These devices are periodically calibrated by accredited organizations. In the laboratory, the materials are tested to their chemical analysis, held pulling test, bending test, punch test, etc. by skilled specialists according to API, ASTM, ISO, and GOST standards. The next plant of Azertechnoline LLC is the plant of polyethylene products. For to meet the demands of the country, the plant steps forward with its multifaceted production activity. Corrugated pipe and plastic injection products are the main activity field of the polyethylene pipe plant. In producing a polyethylene corrugated pipes, there is selected a raw material of high quality. The pipe consists of 3 layers. The first, inside layer of which is produced of 100% HDPE. The second, middle layer, of steel and adhesive polyethylene. And the third, 100% of HDPE for smooth outside view. The porous surface of high-quality corrugated pipes are sturdy to heavy tonnage trucks, tension, and distortion. Because of inside and outside polyethylene isolation, these pipes are also steady to corrosion and chemical impacts. The other priority of polyethylene corrugated pipes is their ease welding to each other. There is the latest injection equipment of German origin in the injection facility. These machines produce different types of moldings of plastic according to stencil. There is manufacturing fittings for PE pipes and boxes for water meters made of ABS plastic in the facility. Moreover, it has a capacity to produce different types of plastic moldings according to order. Steel frame fabrication plant was founded in 2013 within Azertechnoline LLC. The annual manufacturing capacity of plant is 15,000 tons. The main line of plant is the turnkey projects of industrial facilities. There are all types of steel frameworks in the plant, including fabrication and installation. It should be noted that by means of modern equipment, the group of specialists in here are easily handling the works, which are considered very complicated. For the moment, in the facility, there are plasma and oxygen cutting machines, equipment for drilling and cutting of steel sections, shot blasting, radial drilling of profiles, and painting machines. There are metal fencing panels with 2.5 meter width and 2.5 meter height are produced at the facility of production of metal fencing panels of Azertechnoline. As in manufacturing of fencing panels, there are used galvanized wires. They become sturdier to corrosion. Firstly, the rolled wires are being brought to upright state and cut. Afterwards, they are being welded. The fence panels are being curved at special places according to order. Finally, the ready product painting in a definite color and sending to drying line. painting stage made by the method of baking of previous coated electrostat powder paint. There is also produced bollards and supports for these panels in the facility. Fence panels fasten to each other with bollards and clips. All mounting parts of produced panels provided by the plant. It may be bending the top side of panels or adding some barbed wires on fences according to order.